I want to show you how to take out a stack paper in a fuser in a HP Pro 525 500. So okay, what you do, you come here, we can zoom in, understand, zoom in too, let's zoom too, then zoom here. I'll keep over. Okay, can you see? Yes, you take out the first screw here, done. Then also you can take out this part, put it there, let's go down. Hello. Happy Mjani? Long time. It's gonna be saying so please sondeza, it sounds like Ganji. I wanna show people what to do. Okay. Want you to be a very good cameraman, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good, guys. So these are one of the most stressful screws. There's another one, third screw here. Okay. Okay. That's it. So what you do also, you unclip this. Come here. Okay. Once you unclip this, then this drops down. So now there is also this part. This part should go out, but let's try to see. Okay, take out this here. Okay, good. There's another screw. Okay, that's fine. Guys, you pull out this. Okay. Once you take out this part, you can hold it here. Then you come back here. This is where the issue is. Come closer. You can see all the papers here. Okay. Then you can see the paper in the fuser. Then what's next? Come close here. There is this screw. Start with this. Sorry, this one, okay, it fell down, but it's fine. We're gonna also take out this. Okay. Move the most. Okay, take out that. Okay. There's this. Also, there's this part. You unclip this part here. Up. Clip this one, put it here. Then you take out this. You can see this one. Okay. Take out that. You take out, you can see this. There's a screw here. Okay. Okay, see here. Then you can try to shake it. You can see that it moves, but there is some thing getting in the way. So what you do, you unclip here. You have to take out this. Our screws are falling down. You have to take out this part. Okay, it's not broken. Once you take out that, it means you're going to unplug this. Okay, once you unplug that, it comes onto this whereby you have to take out this. Okay, after taking out that, also there is something to take out here. Okay, I've seen this. Once you take out that, you remain with one thing. This, you take it out. Once you take it out, also this side, we have this. Okay, now this is the fuser. There's nothing. Okay, you can see. Now you can see that's why you get papers which are dirty. So the fuser sleeve, it's dirty. You can see this part, the page which passes here, it's always clean, but when it passes here, the more it prints, the ink comes and sticks on here. So the paper we have, it's here. You can see this paper, it's inside here. So now we can try to find a way to take out this or this. You can successfully take it out without opening the entire fuser. If that happens, then you're gonna be one of the luckiest guys. Sometimes you can rotate it here. You can hear that. It moves, but it doesn't move anymore. The more it moves, the more it starts eating this. But I can still take out, because we stand a good chance to take this out. Sometimes we can take this out or this out, then, but we're gonna do that. So. Okay, that's fine. I had a screwdriver stuck. Yeah, I needed a flat screwdriver. So there was a lot of edges here. You can see this, at least this came out. Okay. You can see if I do this, it sometimes comes out. The reason why it stacks is that because the sleeve is dirty. You can see what we're doing now. When you do this, comes out. You can see taking out a bit by bit, one by one at a time. Yeah, guys, we won, and our fuser is clean. Yeah, I hope that is fine. So putting it back, we did a couple of videos on how to put it back. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next video.